So in this video I'll be showing you how we clean and sanitize tills. This actual machine itself is a Casio machine, and it's actually fitted with the anti-microbacterial keyboard or latex cover to go over the top of it. So the first thing we need to do is to actually turn off the machine and unplug it from the wall. So make sure the machine is unpowered and take the key out. We then simply want to place some roll or cloth over the key lock, as that's a form of ingress of fluids, and as I mentioned, this machine's actually got the cover over it, so there's no need to cover it. The next thing is the thermal printers. These obviously have power going through them to actually burn the image onto the paper, so therefore these also need to be protected. So simply place a cloth or a rag over the top, so now the machine is virtually all covered. So the first thing we want to do is to actually sanitize the keyboard. So on this base we can either use an alcohol based, and what we're looking to do is to put a fine mist over the keyboard itself. So simply spray it on, leave it for a while, and then once it's had its time to work, then we can simply wipe with a microfiber type cloth over the actual cover itself. The next thing to do is to actually clean all the cases. So in this case we're using a foam cleaner. Now this foam cleaner is available on our website, but it's basically an anti-static fluid. So we simply spray it onto the machine itself. And once covered, we actually leave this for a minute to actually work, but on this video I'm just going to cut that short. So simply then wipe down the cases again using the same cloth, keyboard covers and displays. We can now, if we want, take these off because we've now finished with the spraying. Pay particular attention to the front of the drawers, and you can use the sanitizer again for here, because this is usually along the front here is where people will place their hands to actually close the drawer itself. So once all the foam cleaner has been removed, simply then leave the machine probably for about 10 minutes or so for it to completely dry out, and then once dry you can then simply plug the machine back in, place the key back into it and continue to use the machine. Thank you for watching our video from shopstuff.co.uk.